Hello everybody, and welcome back to another screencast of Total OS Today. Well, this morning I came across a new bit of Linux Mint news. There is a podcast, MintCast interview with the creator of Linux Mint. Here is the front page for Linux Mint, of course. Let me just click the top link. Linux Mint blog, MintCast interview. And it says here, I was interviewed by MintCast in episode 50. Happy listening, everyone. There is a link here, which I will click in a moment. It says, I was delighted to be able to talk to Charles and Rothgar in their last episode before MintCast switches to a new team of hosts. All right, let me click the link. This is the mintcast.org website. As you see here, episode 50, interview with Clem Lefebvre. I hope I'm saying it right. Sorry, Clem, if I'm saying it wrong. I believe Clem is from Austria, Vienna, somewhere around there. Anyway, these are the written highlights of the show. And if I scroll down here, you can either stream it or download. Both of these should be working pretty quick. Let me, I'll tell you what, let me move the microphone. All right, let me move the microphone to the speaker. Let me click here, stream, where it says stream MintCast from the web. I'll just play a few minutes of it. I won't play the whole thing. I believe it's almost an hour and a half. But let me click play. I'll move the mic to the speaker and let you take a quick listen to it just for a couple minutes.
I'm Charles Olson.
And I'm Rothgar.
I'm Psyching.
I'm Art Vanderhoff.
And this is MintCast,
the podcast by the Linux Mint community for all users of Linux.
Welcome to MintCast, episode 50. I'm Charles Olson. With me tonight is Rothgar. How you doing, Rothgar?
I'm doing okay, except for boarding time a little bit. I'm a little bit tired.
Yeah, this is an unusual time for us because our guest tonight is Clem Lefebvre, who is the creator of Linux Mint. Good evening, Clem, or morning.
Hi guys.
Hey.
Thanks for having me on the show.
Oh, great. In fact, I think we've been trying from the beginning to get you on, but you seem to be a little bit busy.
Yeah, it's nice to be here, finally. Nice to talk to you.
Great. Okay, so we'll be talking to you in a few minutes and talking about Linux Mint and what's going on. First, we have a couple pieces of news. This is the last episode that Rothgar and I will be doing, at least the last regular episode.
Okay, well that was just a piece of the MintCast podcast webcast, episode 50, interview with Clem Lefebvre. Again, sorry, Clem, the creator of Linux Mint. So I know there were a lot of people who use and love Linux Mint, like myself. I've listened to the podcast. Interesting. Clem actually uses other Linux distributions besides Linux Mint 10. Check it out. Listen, I won't tell you what it is. I won't spoil it, but check it out. He explains it, and he explains why he uses sometimes other OSs besides Linux Mint. Anyway, it is episode 50, interview with Clem Lefebvre, the creator of Linux Mint. Alright guys, that's it for this episode of Total OS Today. Thank you for subscribing. Please rate and comment, and I'll catch you as always sometime in the future. Oh, almost forgot. For the next screencast, I'm going to be doing a little bit something offbeat, off the wall, something hopefully funny, so don't forget to check it out on Total OS Today.